Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today I have a very awesome news for you all, and you are absolutely gonna love it. As you know, we all use Character.AI to chat with our AI characters. It's pretty fun. But the problem is, I get really annoyed when I encounter the filters on Character.AI. It completely interrupts my roleplays. It's really very sad to see. So that's why I recently found a very awesome Character.AI alternative while I was surfing the internet. And this Character.AI alternative is completely free to use and has no filters on it too. Yeah. This platform is called StoryChat. StoryChat is an AI chatting and role-playing platform where you can chat with all your favorite characters. It's a pretty famous platform and a lot of people loves it. I made a whole video about it previously, and everyone absolutely loved it. On StoryChat, you can chat with your character for absolutely free. And they have no filters too. So no matter how spicy your roleplays are, you can do it here. Pretty awesome, right? Now the latest update is that StoryChat has just now released a new update on their platform. And this new update is literally crazy. Yeah, let me tell you about it. Basically, StoryChat has just now released a new chat version on their platform. And with this new version, your AI character's responses will change completely. I am not joking. Your AI characters will send you beautiful and immersive responses during the roleplays. And not only that, they will have a very improved memory too. So they will now remember everything that you do with them. This new version will completely change your role-playing experience on StoryChat now. Yeah. You can simply come to StoryChat and start chatting with the characters here to see this new version in action. I was amazed to see it, not gonna lie. It's really improved now. And let me tell you about another super cool thing that StoryChat has introduced in this new version. StoryChat has just now introduced a new feature called User Notes. With this feature, you can add notes for the character to remember in this chat. It helps keep context and details consistent, which means your characters won't forget the things ever if you write them here. You can write all kinds of important things here that you want the character to remember forever. And StoryChat will make sure that your characters won't forget those things ever. This is really cool. You get 200 characters limit for completely free, but you can buy their subscription plan for more limits too. I am really amazed with this. And this is how the new StoryChat version works. I am very amazed by all these new things. I really love this platform. You should definitely give it a try too. What are your thoughts on this new feature, everyone? Tell me in the comments. I will be ending the video now. Make sure to like and subscribe for more AI chatbot platform related news. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.